Yeah, I am
come in touch
basically,
with
yeah,
Sufi
I am
music?
basically from Kerala, but settled in Bangalore. But most of my studies in music happened at different places like New Delhi, Hyderabad, and sometimes my Guruji from Bangalore, Ustad Fayaz Khan, classical music. So I was always, roaming from place to place for the purpose of learning. And even my Sufi great guru, Tahir Kawal, recently we had some sessions, and invariably for, he's sending lessons and all through online classes and all. My Sufi guru, Tahir Kawal. So that's what. So moving from one place to another is a matter of pleasure.
So you are,
And
in a way, you are like a fakir who goes from place to place. And
yeah, fakir in the sense the fakir is doesn't have anything. But we have some sort of job at least. Singing is a job. So in that sense, we are not 100% not a fakir. Fakir means there will not be anything for him. Only whatever something he gives, he will take. That's what. But for us, some source of income is there through the music or through the teachings. We are teaching some students, and that is income. So we cannot say I am not a fakir. That's the thing.
But Sufi music is something. Is it very structured? I thought
No,
it was
it's
very
Sufi
free
music.
flowing.
Sufi music is what it is actually it is love between people to people.
Yeah.
So what we are looking is there should not be any boundaries between the geographical things, and there should not be any discrimination with regard to the colors, and there should not be language barriers. So we are looking for the peace on earth. That's what the essence of the Sufi thing. And the compositions what we have reciting or what we have rendering is purely composed by saints, Sufi saints. Their intention is to spread the message of love. Yeah, it is because nowadays it's a requirement for the order of the day that it should the message should reach to all people. So even without a stage we will perform. Even without mics we will perform. Even without a crowd we will perform. So this is a sophisticated place where we have acoustics and hall, everything is there, and there is an invited audience. So there also we will perform. So what our intention is, this message has to pass through. That's what.
So most of your musical, your repertoire is mostly from which saints? Is any?
Mostly almost all composers like Baba Bulle Shah, then Amir Khusru, Maulana Rumi, Jami. So many saint composers are there. We are taking, because in some places they specifically say that you should sing today only Rumi. Then that time we'll sing Rumi only, because that all composed in Farsi language. And for Baba Bulle Shah and such compositions in Punjabi. So you may be knowing that, And in Nasrul Islam,
Sir, my
your place,
Bengal,
Bengali, Nasrul Islam.
Bolpur, they have
They have, lot of Bengali yes, that's right. So regionally, there are such peoples are there,
back from earlier than. What?
Yeah, there are people, but they composed music in the regional language, like what Nasrul Islam is done in Bengali, and what in our Kerala people does it in Malayalam. So composers are there, Sufi composers are there.
Are there?
But for more popularity, we choose the language which is known to the wider India.
Yeah.
Hindustani, Hindi, yes.
This is the part of the festival, and
Yes,
we
this-
have been exploring during this birthday week, which started on 21st, and tomorrow is the last day.
Oh, tomorrow is the
And
last day.
tomorrow is Orwell's birthday.
Oh, okay.
So 21st was the mother's birthday.
Oh.
28th is Orwell's birthday.
Oh.
So So we've been exploring the different Shaktis.
Uh-huh.
The Mahakali,
Powers, yes, yes.
Powers.
Hmm.
The Mahakali,
Yeah.
Saraswati, Lakshmi, and Maheshwari.
Ah.
So, how does that kind of power
Yeah, that
infuse
power.
your music?
Yeah, that sort of power, because this is
Spiritual thing.
this is spiritual. This is a mysticism in this, where the power comes when we say the goddess, 1,000 times. Repetition of words, like Devi, mantra, or sukta, all this we repeats, that will create some sort of waves of power. That's what we does in Sufi also. That's called zikr. Zikr.
It's like a mantra.
मंत्रा इन मंत्र राम 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 मंत्र बोलता है ना, सो इतने बार राम राम को बुलाने के वक्त क्या होता है, हमारा मन में पूरा वो फील होता है, राम का वो पावर फील होता है. जैसे कि हमारा इधर हम सूफी का कुछ बोलता है ना, ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाह मोहम्मद रसूल, दैट इज अ सॉर्ट ऑफ जिक्र. इन दैट आल्सो that power comes. And this is in the music sense, we are looking on the music, there will be Shruti, Lai, everything will be there. Then the path to reach the mystic level will be more easy with the instruments, the Shruti and all these things.
Singer?
No, we sing Sufiyana as well as Bhakti, Hindi Bhakti, Hindustani Bhakti, all sort of things we sing. Not only the Sufi things, but bhajans also we does.
Oh, you do?
We do bhajans also. But even from bhajan also, even from the Sufi composition also, we are getting the same sort of pleasure. That's what.
So I mean, this is one tradition, Sufi.
No, both the tradition are same.
Are the same?
Same.
How do you say that? I mean,
The same means because we are traveling to reach the Almighty. In both the system, in Sufi system also, in the Bhakti system also, we are traveling where? To reach the Paramatma. It is just, because if I am coming with a t-shirt and sitting means that will not be appropriate. So I just put some dress code for this specific,
so when you do your
presentation.
day job, you also wear this?
No. In the day job, usual clothing.
I won't recognize you.
Usual clothing only. Yeah. But in our full-fledged program, all the people, all the our team members will wear the same uniform.
Okay, nice.
Yes, that will be there.
Right, wondful. I will catch the music because we are part of the festival. I couldn't see all of your show, but I could hear Mast Kalandar way out in everywhere.
Okay.
So it was fantastic talking to you. It was wonderful.
Thank you so much.
Your music has such depth, and it really shows that you're also a very deep and committed person.
Truly, absolutely.
I think that is what sincerity is about.
That is sincerity.
That is.
That's more transparent.
Yeah.
There is no any boundaries. More transparent.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Grateful. Thank you.
Good night.
Good night.